And here we go again. We've regained almost half of the losses. It's the reopening story here. Just take a look here. Transports, Russell 2000 rallying, banks and energy all above the S&P 500, retail as well. Just very hard to figure out what's going on. Just look at the energy stocks. Another rally today. But Marathon, you watch Marathon, the last 7 or 8 trading sessions goes from 6 to 9 to $7. All of these stocks have done the same thing. The same with the industrials. You look at the airlines. United Airlines went from $30 to $50 in a few days. And then back to the 30s here, as you can see. General Electric, same thing, went from 6 to 9. Now it's back into the $6 range. It's very $7 range. Now, just very confusing figuring out what's going on. You think the banks would be better? They're not, though. Citigroup, same story. Citigroup went from $48 to $60 in a few weeks, and now it's back to the $48, $49 level here. So just remind everybody what moves markets and what has been moving markets, those buckets we've been talking about. Valuation here. Are we overvalued or undervalued? The market can't to figure it out. Yesterday was clearly a vote for overvalued, but who knows? The reopening story, we're resetting the pace of the recovery. The Fed has pricked the V recovery crowd, but certainly a positive on fiscal monetary stimulus. Big packages are coming there. Should you buy the dip right now? We've had a 6% downside day. Pretty rare. These 5% downside days, we had several of them in March, and every time you would have bought that, it would have worked. We're above where those numbers were even on March 18th. Remember what drives stocks. The problem right now is the earnings growth. The dividends are not growing at all. Market multiples are expanding or not. And the liability, of course, the liquidity out there, money to buy stocks or not, certainly not. Finally, guys, NYSE definitely going to be expanding next week. The reopening, bringing more DMMs in. Slow pace of their re-expansion, but that's happening next week.